side where our cars are. Come on now, really? Slow down right here. He plowed that a little, and then here's the driveway. This is so ridiculous. Hang on, I want to get a view of this. I need your light. Ridiculous. I can't.